Welcome to the I-84 Corridor Monthly Update for August 2026. I'm Matt Kreisenbeck, the Community Outreach Coordinator for ITD District 3. Joining me again this month is our resident engineer, Stiles Saylor. Today, we are standing on the Centennial Way eastbound on-ramp in Caldwell. Stiles, can you tell us what is happening here this month for the Centennial Way to Franklin project?
Absolutely, Matt. We have some great news. Crews are working overnight to reopen this ramp we are standing on to traffic. The ramp should be open in time for the morning commute. Crews are also continuing to build new lanes on I-84 and wrap up work on the 10th Avenue interchange bridge.
That is great news for motorists. There's also a new traffic pattern starting tonight. What can drivers expect?
Tonight, eastbound I-84 traffic will move back to the eastbound side of the interstate before Centennial Way. It won't feel like a big change, but it will allow the new on-ramp to connect to I-84.
What will crews be working on once that traffic pattern is in place?
Crews will be completing the inside lane of eastbound I-84. This will be the last major element of work needed to be done before 3 lanes open on I-84. They will also continue building the 10th Avenue westbound loop on-ramp.
Excellent, Stiles. Now let's head over to Nampa. What is the latest at the Karcher interchange?
The Karcher interchange project is nearly complete. Final striping is in place and the new overhead signs have been installed. Some minor work will continue on the project.
Thank you, Stiles. Now let's switch gears to the question of the month. Someone recently asked, will there still be 2 westbound on-ramps at 10th Avenue when the project is complete?
That is a great question, but no, there will be only 1 westbound on-ramp at 10th Avenue. Some of you may remember there was a loop ramp and a straight ramp at 10th Avenue for westbound traffic. Like I said earlier, crews will be continuing to build and place concrete at the 10th Avenue loop ramp. The loop ramp will be the only on-ramp at the end of the project. The straight ramp that motorists are using now will be removed completely.
Excellent, Stiles. That is good to know. And as we get closer to when those ramp changes will occur, we will keep you in the loop. Before we go, Stiles, do you have a safety reminder for motorists this month?
I do. Please remember to exercise caution when traveling through work zones, where rear-end crashes tend to be more common. Always remember to maintain a safe following distance, adhere to the posted speed limit, and stay alert when traveling through a work zone.
That's an important reminder, Stiles. Thank you. And thank you all for tuning in. To stay up to date on closures and other construction impacts, sign up for construction updates using the information on your screen. We will see you next month for another I-84 Corridor Monthly Update.